Great. For this stream, I will try to learn how to find Finnish laws. So, Finnish laws. It will be in Finnish, but I will talk in English. I think it's here, yes. It is in English also, but well, it doesn't actually matter. I already did this yesterday a little bit. I didn't want to start the stream because it was unclear how long I would work. And I have other things to talk about, like the EA conference, the results of that, and developments I have done in the last 2 days. There have been quite large as well, but I have made private vlogs, so they're stored at least. But yes, so I would like to have a better idea of what's actually the goal of politics. It is very difficult to start reading news and trying to understand how parliament works if I don't know what's the end result. So, laws. Have I ever read any laws? Yes. Did I understand well what it means? Probably not. This is, I think, This is the official site to read laws, but I think there is another one also. Maybe not. Anyways, I will be focusing on this. So what I'm interested is how I can use this, how easy it is to get to understand how to find laws. So I already did some notes here yesterday. Well, just the term valtiopäivä, parliamentary session, or the season in which parliamentary sessions happen. They start, they start at February. Did I know about this previously? Not really. I haven't followed news, and it's like 10 years since this stuff was maybe gone through in school. How many people of my peers understand what this is? Probably quite many, but what if they don't? It's kind of random why I'm talking about this, because I'm not going to go deep into that term. But at least for me, it's not clear. This is used a lot, but it's not clear what it means. Okay, let's go into these laws. So this is I will need to use translate a lot. Constitution. it's interesting that because I have never talked about politics in English, I don't know how to translate, but I know what this is, I know what this is. But I haven't really thought about, wait, they are actually the same thing. So I have a different feeling of it in English and in Finnish. Constitution, so Finnish constitution. And it's the current one. So that was my first question. Is there one constitution? This is how little I know about laws. That I'm not sure how many of them are there. And this is quite often mentioned, constitution. But do I know what's in here? No. The question, where can I see changes done to it? What's my understanding of how many changes are done to this law or constitution? Did I learn about this in school? I'm not sure. Does this website educate me on this matter? Maybe I should put it here and recenter the screen. So right away when I open this page, it's unclear. What does this mean? Okay, this is year, and this took some time. I'm so stupid that it took some time to realize, wait, this is just a number of the, or actually no, I'm not even completely sure. So is this the, this is 731st kind of topic in the parliament in this year. But is it topic? How do I call this? It's unclear. And then SDK, it's, well, säädöskokoelma. Ah. Constitution of Finland. Okay, this is not in English. Here. Okay. Leave it there. So right away, this number is not clear. And then this might not be clear. Wait, what is this? Original. And then there are these other markings. So I guess they mean this is when changes were made. And this is the change history. Let's see. So here I think was that 4th of November. Yes, and I can see, go here and and see the points. So Constitution section 1, 3. Let's see, where was it? Section 1, 1, 2, 3. This. And what else? I should keep it there. So here was changed 20. Wait, what? Intent. Maybe it's section in English. Section 1, section 3. Okay, it's a bit different. But what was it? 23rd section. Complete. Okay. So 23rd, it should, the link or reference should be then on the title. On my, yes, okay. So it's here instead of here, because it covers the whole section. But this wasn't very, or wasn't clear until I watched YouTube video about that. Where's the history there? So I watched this. Okay. Statute Book of Finland. Statutes.
Statute Book of Finland.
Statute. Is there anything else that's kind of unclear here? Not really. So these are just changes. So I guess this is now clear. It wasn't. Here. Okay. What does this mean? I know that this is the what is it? Government proposal. There. Government proposal. But what are the other ones? Can I have a list? It's not linked here. Where can I see this? Where can I learn? Map. What is this? No, it just That's everything. What was the example I pressed? So let's see. PEVM. Does this mean? Let's go back here. PEVM. What is this? Map. Yeah. What about this? Okay. So unofficial names for the statues. Finnish and English. Yes. Don't care. Wait. Deleted the wrong one. This is how you search. Advanced search. Yes, search. Filter. How do I learn that? Okay. No? And this is how you call them. Wait. Not important. Maybe here? No, this is just syntax. Takes too long. Let me ask AI. Let me ask AI. Just copy this list. In Finnish law, let's ask it. Without saying that the first one is the government proposal, for example. Does the AI know? These markings are standard abbreviation used in Finnish Parliament. Okay. Sure. Where can I learn all the use that word abbreviation. highly structured. The best place to learn all the official for the Finnish Parliament documents is the Parliament own resources, which are designed. Really? Okay. Let's go. I haven't seen any kind of link there that hey, you can learn this in there. But maybe I've been blind. But so I guess here I will learn everything. Okay. Is this in English? Yes, Finnish comment. Glossaries and guidance. The aim of terminology work at the Prime Minister's office is to harmonize terms used in common text, both in national language of Finland and foreign languages. I will just quickly try to find them. Now it's not time to evaluate them. The websites, the information here. I assume both will be used here. Finnish Parliament. What is this? Ministry of Finance, Public Education, Taxation, Court terms, Education way. There are a lot of them. So what was it? It was perusvaliokunta. Perustuslakivaliokunta. Okay. Perustuslakivaliokunta. EVM. No matches in the dictionary. Lot of this here. This is the same page, so pointless. Isn't this? Yes. So it's not here. Finto. It's not here. Ah, probably here. It's quite, you can highlight Firefox. No, it's not here either. Provided that. Oh, no. No. What are you doing? It's in Swedish as well. Yeah, there are a lot of links here. It's definitely not easy thing to learn. This is Parliament's own. Wait, it was. No, it's not here either. It is in here. Okay. What I have learned is it's not easy to find this, although AI knows this, but I don't. I can't find it. I can't find it, but I think from here there could be abbreviations. Let's see. If well, it is this. Does it say that this is the abbreviation? Well, here, yes. How about wait, this is lausunto. Of course it is. So the user experience is that you will kind of get to know these in time. What is VP? What is VP? What to note the. Why is this marked here? But it wasn't anywhere here because these are just Maybe this is Parliament's inner document or whatever this is. Statement. Committee statement. Is the VP used to different from the how did I write this wrong? Wait. Legislation. Huh? Wait, what? I don't know. No, it's not used. Here's the correct. Function of simply stands for the parliamentary session and is mandatory documents provided by the parliament regardless of the legal status. Its sole function is to act as a timestamp archival marker. Eighth document of its type created during. Distinction between statement, the committee report, and final piece of legislation is made by initial 2 or 3 letters, not the when the statement was made. If there is a need to add VP, there is other choices to put there instead of it. What are those? VP. There are no direct alternatives. So why is it there then? Why people might think there are alternatives? Two different the formal citation structure of formal documents. Yes, yes. Is only correct approximate legislation tied to the year that is essential for archival references within that specific parliamentary session. The act number. The only time year is cited without the VP is when referencing finally published binding law signed by the president and promulgated. instead of citing a parliamentary document like this, final replaces the entire document code and with generic word law. Final. Act from leisure history documents. Yes. Therefore, the close alternative. So, in terms of its actual usage, EP, the biggest be real. Practical real world utility. Utility is the word I don't use much. I should add that to my English learning place, which I added yesterday, I think. Contemporary utility. I want to add this to my everyday vocabulary. Let's go here. Perfect, precisely correct. Thanks, AI. Biggest practical is to quickly signal the document is part of legislative history of the parliament and not the final binding law. Significant. Okay. Why is this important? Why am I going through this in such a detail and just focusing on the namings? For me, it makes all the difference because the biggest, what is the word, drawn off? Wait. Damn it, I had the word. No. It's difficult to keep thinking in English, but then try to go to Finnish and come up with the term. Something off. Let down, kind of. Drawn off, drawn off, drawn. It's not this, but similar. Let's ask AI. what could be the term I am thinking of meaning let down or repulsive? Let's see if it gets it. It would be detached, distraught, no, drawn out, no. No, I'm pretty sure there is. No, the meaning is I am interested. Then because of some factor my mind is changed. I'm no longer repelled, repulsive, dissuaded, averted, disinterested. Dissuaded. I don't think it's this. No. It's not something the other, but a verb I do, meaning the change of interest. Maybe I'm wrong. Withdrawn. Okay, I can't. Withdrawn. Let disengage. Withdrawn from the idea. Maybe withdrawn is what I was trying to get here, but going back, if I were to, damn it, I forgot to change this, of course. So here, let's say I'm taking my knowledge. So learning law syntax. I could be able to change that, or if I want, I could change it after the stream. Of course, something was missing. But again, it's very important. If I navigate between different pages, laws, statements. What was this? It was here somewhere I asked about it. Committee. Yes. So committee statement. every part of here matters, because this would increase my uncertainty. Do I know what I'm looking at? No. Okay, that's a problem. What is E letter? What is E letter? It's EU. I guess. But how can I go into the topics itself if I'm not able to understand the titles? That's difficult. This is not really something I should focus on right now, but I'm just curious. So this is RSS feed. I guess I can. So how much does it send? So from every session, I guess. There's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There isn't. On Monday, yeah, there isn't session apparently. And then with this, I could get the other date. No. Just curious for the app itself. We'll probably use this. Yeah, that's not important right now. Let's go back to the laws. So now that I have some sort of way of understanding what this is, let's see. It takes forever. Oh. That didn't work. But I could go through some or the list of committees from here, I guess, and here, so committees, and get to know them. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, yeah. So 17 committees should be. And then, so I guess it's SI, then VM was committee. How would I translate this in report. The meaning at least is correct. So committee report. So there are different committee report. What about this then? That was statement, sure. And then this is what? Okay. Agenda. Committee agenda. Decision? No. Book. Minutes. To check those. Let's go back to the laws. The next question is, how many different laws there are in Finland? Well, yeah, that's the next question. How many laws? From this, so this is the constitution, I guess. Yes, constitution. If I write here, Finnish constitution and search 7,000, okay, and this is the right one. What is this? Why there are two of them? Let's see, what's their differences? I can't see any. So what's the difference here? And this is kind of my problem. No. Okay. So I guess this is the first one without any changes. And here is the new one. So they changed, I think they changed the first one. Okay. And let's see this. Okay. So it was added that Finnish belongs to European Union. It's the member of European Union. Okay, that makes sense, I guess, because I'm searching really everything here. 7,000. What about this? So this is now a new law or a different law. That's 732. What is this? So this law is about enabling the first law, or the actual constitution. Okay. Interesting that it was needed. Let's read this actually quickly. Is it in English? No, it's fine. So how to put it? into action or start using it. So I guess this means that everything okay. So everything continues as before when this is enabled. The constitution comes into play. But if it says otherwise, then it will end, I guess. Okay. And the stuff that's been talked about or will continue. Okay, I guess that makes sense. So things just continue afterwards because all of these were these tasks were following the old version. So when this comes to play, although I don't know why this is really needed, but I guess it is. Okay, what else here? And so this is translation, Germany, but it doesn't say here what translation it is. Russia, English, 2019, done here, okay. What is this? Hämeenlinna. What is this? Administrative law. I guess this just is the number, okay. Yeah, for documentation. Let's read it because this is different. What? Something about playing music. Culture committee. Ah, so now it So there is some disagreement with person B. So person A got some position, I guess, at, I don't know, what do I call this? Governmental institution, and because it needs to follow the Finnish constitution, and person B didn't like that. They said that they should have been selected, and they sent some reports, but it was by culture committee. They didn't agree with person B. Person B, based on the argument. But let's check this. Let's see. Let's duplicate this. What? Duplicate that. Let's go back. Let's go here. So 125 section 125 and second. So general arguments against appointing some position on the official, well, positions are skill, other skill. And what does this mean? The health of the citizen, tested health of the citizen. Okay, let's go back here. And they, yeah. Okay. I'll quickly try to read this then just how does this end? Wait, what? Don't really understand this fully, but so they decided that person A, it was wrong to point that person. So it went through. Okay. Interesting. Just a little bit. So this was just some report, some case. And I guess this, what's the difference between this? Ah, okay, this is the original. Sure. Kuopio. Okay, I didn't know that there were most of these just someone made a complaint and based the argument on the Constitution. Wait, what? What is this? Last year. This is the first or original law. Is it in English? No. Ah, no. This isn't law. Just statement about, I guess, who will be the president. And here they are. So close. So close. Ah, election law. Sounds interesting. So I have Constitution there. Let's see. And it should give the based on the relevance. So this is 714. Wait, but this was 732. No, 731. And next year. Okay. Oh, there's an English translation. But what was so 139. 139. This was changed in 2002. Why? No, wait. Didn't go here. Isn't this the same? Yes. I guess they have broken. Interested in 2002. Isn't it this? Yeah. 247. Ah, so this gives the exact date, which is odd. Why? So here, I guess, are the changes. Law, election law change. So they just take it away. Now I'm kind of curious what was there. And this is the original. Okay, that makes sense. But they are here. So they just don't like, they didn't like this. Ah, the second part. So Maybe they changed the government or structure. This didn't make any sense anymore. How did they change that? I guess here. So municipality. Wait. So they changed 4 or 5. Where did they change 4? Okay, so maybe they made it more clear. Does it say here? What was the point? No. Because this is not the parliamentary report. Can I find that? Or maybe it's just clear. But yeah, these are just examples of if I want to do or examples of do I understand how this works? Why I'm kind of going, hey, this was changed, this chapter. I assume that I can very easily just search this, find this, and find this. So I will test my knowledge, which here is not really needed that much. And here they are, okay, so first they take away, they change or add. New moment. No, where was I? I wanted to know that y was here. Wait. Okay. So because the law was added here, 2002, they can't reference the first one. So they say that this chapter, based on this chapter, and how you can find it from this law, because it wasn't there, even though it's updated in here. But this is not the original one. Okay. Okay, so this was before the second voting. And chapter 27 next, so in 2 weeks. professor, and MP. Sure. But this is not a way to browse. So it doesn't answer my question that well. That is there a way for me to browse? Like here, if I search this, I get 460 answers. But I'm looking at this because this is the updated one. This is the original one that I don't care about now. Of course, I want it to be there. So I want this needs to be wait 67. Okay, I guess if I just write no. What if I put this there? 98. It doesn't include this. Okay. I mean, how can I find everything? Can I do this? Over 10,000. 230,000. Okay. And then this. So there are 500 pages. How many? 1, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So it says there are over 10,000 different laws. Maybe this is the reason why there isn't one button to... What is this law? What is this? Law about what? Okay. Okay. And then I guess I can see the latest news. Ah, does it show? Okay. It shows also in different languages. Still over 10,000. Is this really true? Ah, wait. No, it should stay the same. Huh? Now there are only 81. Wait, but this is the... Okay. So is this about there are laws, but they make it more clear, kind of a message, or they have decided that this is a decision. Okay, maybe next I would like to know what are the different types. Hmm. I don't know, Lord. Law, etc. But that would mean, yeah, most of these are something else. But the actual laws, there are 81. So this is the oldest one. And but there is the constitution isn't here. Is that a problem? Why is the constitution not here? Let me search from 2000 only. Wait. So constitution. Let's say no. Let's use this and January to okay. Is not valid. Sure. I guess here. Okay. Zero budgets. Shouldn't it be here? Or was it? Wait. Did I remember wrong? 1999. So what is this then? It's law. Wait, 2000. No, but it can't mean that. Wait. No, 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 no. It's not here. Language, Finland. Wait. What is... Maybe this is the problem. And it completely ruined this. They're over 10,000 weight. Law 51. What? Is this some new? Apparently, yeah, that's 81. Yeah, was this the first or the law that enabled very easily change? They have to explain. Well, that was easy. Ah. So climate law. But if this doesn't include, now I'm confused. What does it actually... Oh, newest first. What's the problem here? So can I say Finnish? Can I say this? Yes. Can I say this? Yes. But it's not law. Why? Why is this not the law? Because if this doesn't come up there, why? Why is that? Is their system broken or is my understanding just lacking here? I have too many tabs. Because so there are what, 81 laws here. That's not one of them. These were correct. This wasn't. Military. Does it say that every man has responsibility to... No. organization. Yeah, I guess that's different document maybe. I don't know. Hello. Okay. Right. Of course, there's a reason why one could get a law degree. Knowing how to read this and so on. My aim here is, I already wrote here, that next time I will try to find about the different types. What do they mean? If there are some materials somewhere, like just ask AI. But then after this, after I can kind of navigate this website, go to some law and understand, okay, yeah, this was, then I can go to the governmental sites again and maybe start to understand, okay, so how is the process again that the members of parliament or the parliament changes the laws or add new laws. And then it's easier to understand, yes, so why is this process needed? I don't just, for me, understanding the bigger picture is almost everything. And then I can go deeper into these individual cases, maybe start to understand one process or a few processes from beginning to an end. So who made this? Maybe it was the government proposal. Here, governmental proposal, and then understand what was the process, how long it took, what were the changes, what was communicated to the public, which channels were used, how many of these there are. I think this year, well, this was 85th governmental proposal, but just understanding the scope and then go to watch news, caps lock on, and try to find politic related cases, how they are communicated. What is the budget for next year? So search. So this was September. Okay. Can I search it from here? So, okay, it's not. When will they decide this? So what, this was in September. There are some discussion about this. Is there some sort of resolution? I don't know how this works. I've never been interested to find out. When will the budget be? So this is the minutes discussion. No, wait, this is the newest one. Valtiovarainvaliokunta. Is it this? No. Can I find it from here? If it's on there. Huh? What are they changing about alcohol? On remote. Ah. Wait, 80%. Okay. Yeah, I mean, don't know about this regulation. Can I find them? Okay. What was the 2026? Okay. And I guess, yeah, there are a lot of things here. Today, it seems, I guess. Okay, so so this committee will finish their report on this today, but then when it will be gone through in the Parliament session. What was the name of it? Go too quickly. So it was government proposal 99. Guess it should be the same. Wait, this is 5th Tuesday, so today. And then Wednesday, maybe they need to receive it first. No. Thursday. Oh, it's not there. What is STVM? STVM. Ah, social. Okay. Budget. Okay. It seems like that's separate discussion. Interested to find out what it will be, because the unemployment rate, yeah, it's well looking good. All right, it's a bit past 1 and for an hour 43. Haven't taken any breaks. What I could do is do a little Chinese session just for fun. Let me see. Communication should be somewhere currently there. Okay. Use mobile app. Use an app in a browser. What do I mean by this? Anyways, let's end this session, and yes, let's do a quick Chinese. Business, metaverse, culture, sports, soft project. Do I have something? Vivaldi. Brave. Just curious. China news. And I'm kind of still wondering how I should use these browsers. Now I'm using the Firefox, so the main browser, even though this is kind of research. Should I use the name of Vivaldi because it was meant to have kind of all research, but then there are a lot of news sites, so maybe that's just for news. Communication will happen on Edge, on all emails. And yeah, I will have 2 different social media profiles, but okay. Let's try this, because I don't want to connect my real phone. I have to set it up, figure out how I'm going to kind of hide notifications, but I don't want to hide them, so if someone calls me, I want to answer. I will figure it out later. Could I use an emulator to run Chinese learning app? Possibly. Chinese is so popular. So popular language that I'm sure there are so many free tools. Yes, beginner blog. I'm interested if there is a game other than Duolingo. Learn Chinese. This could be fun. Do you want to try it? Yes. Is it flashcards? So numbers. What is this? It's not 7. Could be 4. I don't know. Let's say 6. The solution is. Wait, how much was it? 0 was it? Yes, that was 1. What is not 2? Was it 8? Really? That was 10,000. Doesn't make sense. I don't think it's 10. That was 9. 100. Okay. 10,000. What? 0. 100. This is 10. No, 4. I don't see it. Was this already? 6? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes sense. 2. 1, 2, 3. Wait, but 4 was... No, 4 isn't even here. I think this could be... 1... Why is it 6? This was 100. This was 0. No idea why this... this was... Was it 7 or 4? 7. 3. No. That was 6. Two. This was 4. 3. 6. I guess 9 is the only one. 3. 7. No, 7. 4. No, 5. What? This is... no. Okay. Everything is 7. This is new. Really? I thought 10 was already here. Oh, okay. No, wait. 2 was that. That's 2. 0. That's... 6, 10. What was this? 10,000? No, this was 5. This was... I would like to say 7, but I think this was 10,000. Okay. This was 5 again. 3, 10, 2, 4. Kind of random. 6, 7, 4, 3, 7, 2, 1, 0, 4, 1, 3. What? 9? 0, 9 again. 10, 9. Okay, that's pretty good. So number is 2. No, I don't want numbers again. Colors, but... okay.
0
Liang. Oh, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Liang. I think this is 4. Whoa, Liang.
3
Sun is 3 or 4.
8
It's quite loud. Ba. 8, 4. I think it's
3 7
Chi. I would like to say 7.
5
Wu. 6. 5.
9
Qiu.
0
Ling.
7
Qi.
5
Wu. I already forgot. No, that was 5.
3
San. Ba.
0
Ling.
3
San.
9
Jiu.
5
Wu.
3
San.
千
Qian. Really? Qian. That was...
4
Wait, Qian. Wait. Qian. But isn't that counter also? Chinese. No. 1,000. Qian. But no. Okay, now there was some. How much is that? Jian. So it's using this. And yeah, it's almost. Qian. I need to. So right now I don't have Korean actually. I need to learn how to write in Chinese letters. But let's try again. Jian. This was 1,000.
9
Jiu. Jian.
2
What? No, it's not 4. 2.
1
What? No. 10,000. Okay.
9
What was 10,000 in Korean? Just curious. No, it's Beckma. Is it Beckman? 100. Wait, what did I choose? Korean. There. 10,000. It was just man. Okay. Beckman is 10 million, I guess.
一
10
10
10 10
4
4 What? No. What was 0? 4 Sun 4
9
4
4 1
1
8
8 8
1
1 哦
3 6
6圈6
1
OK
6
6
9
9
10
10 Huh? No, wait. 10 10 1
5
5 OK
7
7 Huh? No. 4. Wait, no, it was 4. Was it 4? No. 7. G.
8
8 5
6
6 6 6 6
1
1
百
5
1
1
5
5
8
8
百
5 5
6
6 6
1 1
1 Wait, what? I'm confused.
7
7 7
5
5
9
9 1 Let's
7
see. 7
1
1 Wait, what? 1,000 4 Huh? 10,000
7
Chin
5
5
7
Chin
千
Chin was 1,000. Okay.
万
Okay. What was 4?
千
What was 4?
八
Ba
千
Chin
十
10 10
百
Bai
五
5
三
I misclicked.
八
Ba
六
Leo. Wait, Leo. No.
九
Leo. Jio.
三
What was 4? Ling. Ling. No, Ling was 0. What was 4?
十
Xu.
百
Bai.
零
Ling.
八
Ba.
三
What was 4?
万
1. No. 1.
百
Bai.
十
Xu.
五
五
二
二 It was two.
七
七
四
四 OK 四
二
二
七
七
五
五
二
二 No. God damn it.
one
One
六
六啊，这个十
九
九
八
八
三
三
六
六
一
一 What 啊 one
五
五
四
四
千
千 thousand.
六
Okay, that was pretty good. One more. Having too much fun here. So that was numbers, colors. Let's do verb. I need to register. So these are demos. This will cost something. Will it? Maybe. Let's do colors.
红色
红色红色 No idea. Palgan. Red.
白色
白色白色 Okay. 白色
橙色
橙色橙色 Okay. 橙色
白色
白色
红色
红色
蓝
蓝色蓝色
黑色
黑色
红色
红色 What was this? Orange? No, red.
蓝
蓝色 Nah. Not even
橙
trying.
色
橙色橙色
白
橙
色
白色
灰色
灰色
绿
绿色绿绿 That's an interesting 黑色 What was this? No. Wait. Huh? Haze.
橙色
橙色
棕色
橙色橙色
紫色
紫色紫色
蓝
蓝
灰色
灰色黑色灰色
棕色
棕色棕色棕色
橙色
橙色橙色 What is that?
灰色
灰色
棕色
棕色棕色棕色 No, 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 no. Huh? This?
粉红色
粉红色粉红色粉红色 I don't think this has been yet. No, it has. Okay. 粉红色蓝色
黑色
黑色
橙色
橙色橙色
紫色
紫色紫色 No. Okay. This was purple. 紫色
黑色
黑色
红色
红色红色红色
棕色
棕色棕色 Wait, what? 棕色黄色黄
紫色灰色
灰色灰色
橙色
橙色
粉红色
粉红色
橙色
橙色
黄
黄色黄色黄色
黑色
黑色
紫色
紫色this okay
红色
红色 红色. What was it again?
橙色、
橙色,
绿、
绿色,
棕色、
棕色, 棕色,
黄、
黄, 黄,
棕色、
棕色,
黄、
黄,
绿、
绿,
黑色、
黑,
灰色、
灰,
蓝、
蓝, 蓝. What? 蓝?
黑色、
黑
红色、
红色, 红色. Wait, what?
灰色、
灰色,
黑色、
黑色,
粉红色、
粉红色,
黄、
黄色.
紫色、
紫色,
黑色、
黑色, 蓝, 蓝, 蓝,
绿、
绿,
棕色、
棕色,
红色、
红色, 红色,
蓝、
蓝, 蓝,
绿、
绿,
蓝、
蓝,
黑色、
黑、
棕色、
棕色,
橙色、
棕色, 棕色,
粉红色、
粉红色, 橙色,
紫色、
紫色. Okay, that's fine. Foods.
咖啡、
咖啡,
柠檬、
柠檬, 柠檬. Oh,
茶、
茶, isn't that the drink?
菠萝、
菠萝. Some of this I have. 黄瓜. This is fruit, isn't it? 黄瓜.咖啡,
柠檬、
柠檬. I don't like that it's
橙子、
colors. I hard time understand. Oh, well, yeah, that's correct. 橙子.
啤酒、
This is my favorite. 啤酒.
水、
水. So that's water.
柠檬、
柠檬,
咖啡、
咖啡,
生菜、
生菜,
西瓜、
西瓜,
菠萝、
菠萝. This is milk? No. 菠萝.
樱桃、
樱桃. Okay. 水. This was
胡萝卜、
胡萝卜. 胡萝卜.
西红柿、
西红柿. No. Tomato.
葡萄、
葡萄. Grape.
啤酒、
啤酒.
咖啡、
咖啡.
橙子、
橙子. Orange.
红酒、
红酒. Yeah, this has been there already. Really bad at this. No. 红酒.
菠萝、
It was string, of course. 啤酒. Polo. I will get this right.
咖啡，
Two, right? 菠萝、
樱桃，
樱桃、樱桃、
红酒，
红酒、
洋葱，
洋葱、洋葱、洋葱。No, no, maybe no, no.
胡萝卜，
胡萝卜、胡萝卜、胡萝卜、啤酒、
西瓜，
西瓜、
菠萝，
菠萝、
啤酒，
啤酒、
胡萝卜，
胡萝卜、胡萝卜、
果汁，
果汁、果汁、果汁。No, 果汁、
橙子，
橙子、
葡萄，
葡萄、
西红柿，
西红柿、西红西红
啤酒
柿、
胡萝卜，
胡萝卜、胡萝卜。What was this?
菠萝，
菠萝、
樱桃，
樱桃、樱桃。What?
西红柿，
西红柿、西红柿。I'm so confused here. No, this was someone. 西红柿、
樱桃，
樱桃、樱桃、樱桃。No. Okay.
瓜，
锅、
水，
水、
红酒，
红酒、
果汁，
果汁、果汁、
香蕉，
香蕉。Wait, this is new. 香蕉。啊，香蕉。
西红柿，
西红柿。What? Oh, okay, okay.
香蕉，
香蕉，香蕉，香蕉。
茶，
茶。
洋葱，
洋葱，洋葱，洋葱，洋葱。Don't really know. Okay, new one. 茶。
果汁，
果汁，果汁，果汁，果汁，果汁，果汁。No, no. Wait, what? No, no. Wait, it was a drink.
樱桃，
I'm really bad at this. I will end when I get at least 20.
梨，
What? 梨、
菠
pear、
萝，
菠萝、
香蕉，
香蕉、香蕉、
啤酒，
啤酒、
柠檬，
柠檬、
葡萄，
葡萄、葡萄、
黄瓜，
黄瓜、黄瓜。What? 黄瓜、黄瓜。Okay.
西瓜，
西瓜、西瓜、
葡萄，
葡萄、
洋葱，
洋葱、洋葱、洋葱、洋葱。
红酒，
红酒、红酒、红酒。
香蕉，
香蕉、
洋葱，
洋葱、
香蕉，
香蕉。
果汁，胡萝卜，
胡萝卜、胡萝卜、
菠萝，
菠萝、
西瓜，
西瓜、
苹果，
苹果、苹果、苹果。What? Apple. 啊，苹果、
红酒，
红酒、
瓜，
瓜、
梨，
梨、
黄瓜，
黄瓜、黄瓜、黄瓜。 Wait, no, it wasn't that. What? 黄瓜、
葡萄、
葡萄、
柠檬、
柠檬、
茶、
茶、
菠萝、
菠萝、菠萝、菠萝。Wait, what?
黄
啊
瓜、葡萄、
葡萄、
瓜、
瓜、
果汁、
果汁、果 What? No. 果汁、
菠萝、
菠萝。What? I'm so confused. No. What? 菠萝、
梨、胡萝卜、
胡萝卜、胡萝卜、胡萝卜。
茶、
茶、
苹果、
苹果、苹果。
西红柿、
西红柿、西红柿、西红柿、
胡萝卜、西瓜、
西瓜、
果汁、
果汁、果汁、
橙子、
橙子、
果汁、
果汁、
苹果、
苹果、苹果、苹果、
牛奶、
牛奶、牛奶。What? Ah, is that the first time? 草莓、草莓。啊，樱桃、
香蕉、
香蕉、
橙子、
橙子、橙子、
啤酒、
啤酒、
生菜、
生菜、生菜、生菜、
果汁、
果汁、
茶、
茶、
胡萝卜、
胡萝卜、胡萝卜。Really? I was
西
too
瓜
many.、
茶、西瓜、
西瓜、
洋葱、
洋葱、
啤酒、
啤酒、
草莓、
草莓、草莓。Really? No, no. 哦，草莓、草莓、
梨、
梨、
洋葱、
洋葱、洋葱。No, it was not.
柠檬、
柠檬、
茶、
茶、
葡萄、
葡萄、
生菜、
生菜、生菜、生菜。No. Wait.
果汁、
果汁、果汁。What?
生菜、
生菜、生菜、
洋葱、
生菜、
胡萝卜、
胡萝卜、胡萝卜。
苹果、
苹果、苹果、
葡萄、
葡萄、
橙子、
橙子、橙子、
洋葱、
洋葱、
苹果、
苹果、
香蕉、
香蕉、
黄瓜、
黄瓜、黄瓜。No. 黄瓜、
果汁、
果汁、果汁、果汁、果汁、果汁。
西瓜、
西瓜、
苹果、
苹果。Okay, no, no.
西红柿、
西红柿、
橙子、
橙子、橙
西
子、
红柿、
西红柿。
橙子、苹果、
Close. 苹果、
果汁、
果汁、果汁、
葡萄、
葡萄、
苹果、
苹果、苹果、
生菜、
生菜、
啤酒、
啤酒、
黄瓜、
黄瓜 no wait yeah of course
啤酒、
啤酒
水、
水
橙子、
橙子
苹果、
苹果瓜
啤酒、橙子、
橙子I'm trying to find the onion but clearly it wasn't that 橙子 was it it was orange 苹果
橙子、
橙子
茶、 生菜、
生菜
菠萝、
菠萝
柠檬、西红柿、
almost
咖啡、西红柿、
西红柿
胡萝卜、
胡萝卜 no
梨、
胡萝卜梨
水、
水
牛奶、
牛奶
茶、
茶
葡萄、
瓜
香蕉、柠檬、樱桃、
樱桃
梨、草莓、
草莓
柠檬、
瓜
苹果、
苹果洋葱 what
瓜、
okay 1 or 2 times
果汁、
果汁
黄瓜、西红柿、西瓜、葡萄、西瓜、水、苹果、西红柿、瓜、茶、生菜、果汁、菠萝、黄瓜、草莓、葡萄、菠萝、草莓、
no of course okay
水、
last time
啤酒、梨、西红柿、橙子、红酒、咖啡、柠檬、梨、牛奶、
what of course
橙子、生菜、洋葱、梨、果汁、咖啡、香蕉、西红柿、
红酒 come on 洋葱 what no okay
洋葱、
洋葱
黄瓜、
牛奶
啤酒、
香蕉
啤酒、洋葱、咖啡、
黄瓜
西红柿、生菜、
what
西瓜、黄瓜、牛奶、咖啡、香蕉、黄瓜、生菜、茶、
Cha.
红酒
Hongju. Wait, what was that in Hongju? Hongju. Okay. Premium. Yeah, this was fine. Psychology, life, work, business, metaverse. I guess, yeah, communication I can hear. And when I'm done with it, of course, I can just find something else. And that's it for this stream. What thumbnail will I put? I could quickly copy paste something. Maybe something like this. All right, and then let's open Affinity, assets, pictures, screenshots. Put it there. And the other one was, actually it was Chinese that I could also copy paste. Okay, that's fine. And move, I need to save them here. Good, then let's continue. Ending the stream. Let's copy this. Isn't this 28th? Pretty sure it's 28th. Yes. Let's see how they look here. So I guess this is more important. On both, I will add border from here. Something. Okay. Control S. Export. This video export. Yeah, doesn't need to be good. 28. Also, I will edit the title. Okay. Right, that's it.